Hey there, Veco Vibe community. Have you ever wondered why your ears hurt when you're exposed to loud noises? Stick around, because today we're diving into the science behind this phenomenon and sharing some tips on how to protect your ears. We'll start with a brief overview of the topic and why it's important to understand why our ears hurt when we hear loud noises. 1. How the ear works. Let's begin with an overview of the anatomy of the ear. The ear is divided into three main parts: the outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Each plays a crucial role in capturing and processing sound waves. When we hear a sound, our ears collect the sound waves and funnel them down the ear canal to the eardrum. The eardrum vibrates, transferring the sound waves to the bones in the middle ear, which then send the vibrations to the inner ear. Here, the vibrations are converted into nerve signals, which our brain interprets as sound. 2. The effects of loud noises on the ear. So, what counts as a loud noise? Generally, sounds above 85 decibels can be harmful to our ears, especially with prolonged exposure. Examples include music concerts, loud machinery, and fireworks. Loud noises can damage our ears by causing the eardrum to vibrate excessively, potentially leading to temporary or even permanent hearing loss. 3. How our ears protect themselves. Our ears have built-in protective mechanisms to help prevent damage. For instance, the eustachian tubes help regulate pressure within the middle ear, while the tiny hair cells in the inner ear capture vibrations and protect against excessively loud sounds. The eardrum, middle ear, and inner ear all work together to shield our hearing and maintain a healthy auditory system. 4. The physical and psychological causes of ear pain. Loud noises can cause physical damage to the ear, leading to pain. This can result from excessive eardrum vibrations or damage to the delicate hair cells in the inner ear. The fear or anticipation of loud noises can also cause psychological distress and pain. Our brain perceives these sounds as threats, leading to anxiety and discomfort. 5. How to protect your ears. To protect your ears from loud noises, consider wearing earplugs or noise-canceling headphones. Also, try to limit your exposure to loud sounds and give your ears time to recover after being exposed to high decibels. 6. Conclusion. In summary, our ears hurt when exposed to loud noises due to the physical and psychological effects of these sounds. Understanding the anatomy of the ear and how it works can help us take steps to protect our hearing. Remember, it's essential to protect your ears and limit exposure to loud sounds to maintain your hearing health. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Veco Vibe for more engaging content.